Hello, teacher.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Let Yuvan also join. We'll wait for 2 minutes. Let him join and then we'll begin with the game. Okay? Last time, yes?
I know.
Last time, the game we created, do you remember?
Yeah.
What was the game in the last class that we have made? The last game was maths quiz, right?
What?
The last game was maths quiz. The last class we have done maths quiz programming. Do you remember that?
No, we never did that.
Copy the
Let
game.
me show you the program. I'll show you which program we were doing.
Yes, show me, share
This
your screen.
program.
I'll tell you. Wait a minute. Yes, this one only. This is the maths quiz. Okay, the name of this program is maths quiz. I told you that day. Stop typing these things. But the name of this program is maths quiz. Have you tried this game?
Oh, we were supposed to try it.
Yes, try it for 2 minutes right now. See whether you're getting the answers within the time the ball is falling.
Okay.
Try it. Right now you try it.
Okay, I'll try the game.
Right, then we'll do a brick game today. Let him join and we'll start with a brick game.
Okay, what does it say? What is the basketball saying? Okay. Thing 7 times 1 equals 7.
You have to give the answer. Flip the green flag. Whatever question is asked, you just give the answer before the ball touches the bottom.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, what is 7 times 5? 5 times 7. 20.
Now see what's it asking. Click on the green flag and see what's the next question. 3 times 3. 9.
Yeah, 9. Could I learn the 3 times tables today? I said 9.
9. Enter also you have to press.
Okay, 8 times 8. What is 8 times 8? I don't know this.
64. 50. 10.
52. What?
10.
10. 1 times 9. What is
81. For this, you need to learn tables. 60.
Oh my times tables. Until 5.
Yes. 60. For this game, you need to learn tables.
I know my tables. You're rude. You say I don't know my tables.
72. 72. 'Every time you'll give a wrong answer or every time you will give the answer, the ball will start moving faster.
Okay, you get it.
Okay, save this game. Now let's come to the new one. Let's start making some of the new things. Okay, stop. Save this game.
I saved already.
Now, open a new game.
Okay.
Open a new one.
Okay, I'm making a new project.
Yes, it will be the brick game. Okay.
The break game. We'll do we need a costume.
Open it. Yes, Yuvan has also joined. Now we'll begin with the new game.
Okay.
Okay. Hello, Yuvan.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you?
Fine, teacher.
Okay. Last time we had done maths quiz. Have you practiced it?
Yes, teacher.
Why?
What?
Have you practiced the quiz game that we have done in the last class?
Yes, teacher. I played it a few times.
Did it? It was nice?
Yes. I showed to my father, and then he told that you made a nice game like for my sister to learn
Yes,
tables.
and you can play also. You can learn maths also in that. You can see your mental ability, that how easily you can answer tables, right? So now today we are going to make a new game, okay? The name of the game is brick game. So this game is really simple because it just consists on breaking the brick with a wall, with a ball, Okay, we just need to break a brick with a ball. To start with, we need to create a rectangle, so to make the base. Okay, let's make a rectangle first. Instead of this cat, we'll make a rectangle. We'll choose a new sprite.
No, I'll just turn my cat into a rectangle.
Yes, you can do that. Let me stop sharing. Let me do that. You do it on your own screen. I'll keep on telling you what you have to do. Stop sharing, Rahman. We'll not be able to complete today. And I want to tell you that today I will have a class, and in the next class, I think 2 more classes are required for the scratch part. You also make a small rectangle till the time he is doing it.
Yeah, it's pretty honest. That's true.
Small rectangle, very small rectangle, like a brick. Very small, more small. Yes, that much is fine, I think. That's fine. Little bit bigger. You can make it little bit bigger. Little bit bigger. Yes, that's fine. Okay. Don't make it very big. It's okay. Now, Yuvan, you also make it as the same he has made.
I'm just gonna dupla.
Can you see my screen? I'll delete this cat sprite and make a rectangle.
All of these flowers. I'm gonna present all of that. Teacher?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I've made a I have also made a brick, and you have also made a brick, right?
Yep.
The brick part is done. Just wait for a minute. Let's make a ball sprite. Select the ball sprite. Don't make it. Select it.
Got a tennis ball. The ball.
Any ball you can select.
Yeah.
Make a variable speed. Both of you make a variable speed.
What?
New variable speed.
For who?
To make a variable speed.
Variable what?
Speed. S-P-E-E-D.
For which sprite? For the brick or the ball?
For the ball.
What do? I've made speed red. 9, 55 plus 1.
You want?
Yes, teacher, I finished. Banana.
Select a ball sprite and select a paddle sprite from the sprite list.
What sprite? What sprite? A paddle?
Paddle sprite. Paddle.
How do you write paddle?
Right? P-A-D-D-L-E.
What? You say too fast.
P-A-D-D-L-E, right? P-A.
P-A-L. Teacher, it's like a green bar.
Yes, it's like a green bar.
I don't see it.
Right? P for?
I know. Okay, I found it.
Okay, good. 3 sprites are there now.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, see my screen. I'll tell you what you have to do. Firstly, we'll write the program for the bricks. Okay? Firstly, we'll write the program for the brick. Choose a new sprite. I'll be selecting a paddle like you have selected. I'll tell you where to put the paddle. Okay? And then we'll be selecting a ball sprite that you have already selected. Just wait a minute. I'll make a brick also. Okay, small brick. It's a big one. This is okay.
Teacher, I thought you already made a brick sprite.
Yes, I made it, but I have deleted it, so I'm making it again. And the third thing that we have to do is select a ball sprite, or we can make a ball sprite, but I'll select it. Okay, so I selected this one ball. Now I'll place this paddle here and I'll put the ball above it. Okay, and now we will write the programming for the brick. Okay, so select the brick sprite, name it as brick, name it as brick. Let's start writing the program for the brick sprite.
Okay.
When green flag is clicked, first thing, I'm keeping on telling you, okay, I'm just repeating the statement, the blocks, just keep on doing it. When green flag is clicked, this is for the brick sprite, remember this. Then go to X and Y. X will be minus 201.
Wait, actually, minus 201. Wait,
And
what
Y
happened?
will be, and Y will be 170.
Why will be two? What? What will
Okay.
Y be?
Y will be 170. Now click on the green flag and see where the brick is going. It's coming in very much corner, right? It's coming here. But I want it here. I want it to come here. Let me change it. Let's change it a little bit. Okay? So I'll make it minus 6 and 12.
What?
I'll make minus 6 and 12.
What's minus 6 and 12?
You just see the position. Put it at the topmost corner. Okay, put your brick at the topmost corner and see the value of X and Y here. Okay, whatever the value of X and Y is, you just put it there only. I'll put minus 6 and 12 and then I'll click on the green flag and see.
Teacher, once wait, I'm still doing. Teacher,
Okay,
I have a problem.
Okay, listen to me. Rehman, listen very carefully. See, you put the brick at the topmost corner, okay? At the top, okay? You put the brick at the top and in the left corner.
Okay.
And then see what is the value of X and Y. You can see the value of X and Y down here. You just see that. And in go to X and Y, you have to put that value only. Got that?
Okay, I got that. What's Y again?
I'll stop sharing once you share your screen and show me so that I can get that you have got.
I don't know where to put my sprite.
You just show me, I'll tell you. You share your screen, I'll tell you.
So basically, when I press this, over here it says minus 44 and Y is 106.
Yes, that only I'm saying. Pick up that red brick, pick up that brick from there, yes, and place it where speed is written. Little bit top at the corner, and your brick is very small. Make it a little bit bigger. Change the size of the brick, or you can increase it. Yes, make it a little bit bigger. It's very small. No, you don't have to change the shape.
I'm making it bigger.
But it is not looking proper brick now. See, the shape is not perfect.
It doesn't have to be perfect. But I'll redo this.
You make it, yes, with the square. Yes. Yes. Remove the outline. Done. Fine. Remove the outline. Yes. Fine. Now bring the brick on the stage. Let me see it. Drag it.
What?
Drag the brick on the stage. Okay, now do one thing. From the size, increase the size to 110 of the brick. Increase the size of the brick to 110.
Okay, don't explain it.
Okay, now click. Now bring it a little bit down. Yes, and put it at the corner. Okay. Now at the corner, the numbers are -100. Go to X, go to X and Y and put it -197. Very good. Done. Now, Yuvan will share a screen and show me. Stop sharing, Rahman.
Wait, we'll do that.
Yuvan, share your screen and show me. Okay, what numbers you have put? 32 and 32 is there, and you have put 36 and 28. Okay, but it is fine. It's at the correct place. Okay, stop sharing. Now I'll share. Until now, you have not done any programming using cloning, right? Cloning
I know how to
is
use
making
the clone.
clone of myself. Yes, we know the meaning of clone. That is making copy of it. So the same thing we are going
Wait,
to do.
teacher, I meant
Yes.
that I know how to use the block clone.
What?
Yes, I know how to use it.
I know that you know what it is. So we will be doing cloning only right now. So firstly, we'll bring the repeat block. Okay. Go to the repeat block and select repeat it for 10 times. I want this 10 times here. But I think I won't be able to adjust 10 blocks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to 5 blocks will only adjust for me. You check for you how many blocks you can adjust. I think I can adjust only 4 to 5 blocks. I will put 6 here. Okay. And then I will go to the cloning part.
I'm using my clones to make like
Create
a wall.
clone of myself. I'll select create clone of myself. And you will see when you will create clone, what will happen that the clone will
create a
be here
clone.
only. Listen. Don't press the green flag right now, because if we'll create clone right now and press the green flag, all the clones will be made here only. Okay, and we will have to place it somewhere else. So we don't need that. We don't want that. We don't want the clones to be made somewhere else. Okay, what we want the clones to be automatically placed at its own position. So what we will do, we'll change x by 50. What we'll do, we'll change x by 50 here.
Change what?
Change x by 50 and see where the
there's
clone is coming.
change.
What?
There is no change. X by 50.
They will be changed. Now see, the line is becoming bigger, means there has to be some gap also. Means I want some gap also between the brick. So I will change the number and I'll make it 70. Let me see if it works with 70. Again, no. And this I'll make 5. Wait a minute, I'm seeing yours because the size of the brick is different for everyone. This I'll make 80. Let me see now. 100. Or I need to make my brick a little bit smaller. Now, can you see the bricks? I'll tell you what you have to do.
Teacher, I'm still making my brick wall. I made it repeat for 20 times. Well, I made it 10, but I did it again and 2 times, so it gives me 20 clones, so I can make a really good wall.
I'll stop sharing. Yuvan, you share your screen for once. Till the time Rahman is doing, Yuvan will share and then I'll see up to Rahman's screen.
Are we waiting for anybody else?
Okay, I need more bricks, so I'm just gonna get a whole bunch of more
You don't need
clones.
more bricks. Listen, you just make it repeat only for 4 times. Sorry, 5 times. Make it repeat for 5 times. I'll tell you what you have to do. Make it repeat for 5 times. Okay. And change x by 60. Change x by 60. Change x by 60. Not 660.
What
Now
has to
you wait. Now repeat it for, wait a minute. Change x by 60 is correct. You just need to repeat it for, don't make it 55. Make it 60 only. Or you can make it 65. Repeat it for 7 times. Repeat it for 7 times. You want to repeat it for 7 times.
Teacher, I'm trying to.
You want more space in between the bricks?
No, teacher, like little less.
No, don't make it like this. Make it 60 only. 60 is perfect.
Like this, teacher.
Okay, you want to make it like this, but repeat it for 7 times so that the whole stage is covered. Repeat it for 7 times. Okay, fine. Okay, stop sharing. Rehman, you share the screen now.
Wait, let me just finish off.
Rehman, share it. I'll tell you what you have to do.
I'm still doing my project. Wait, I'm still doing this.
Share it.
1 second. I need to clear this up. Now I can share. Share now.
My God, what you have done? Wait a minute. See, if you will repeat it for 5 times and you will write create clone of myself, what will happen that every time the clone will be made at the same place. So go to the motion block and select change x by. Select change
Where's
x by.
that? There is no button saying that.
Bring that one, drag it and put it inside the repeat loop.
There is none.
See, after point towards mouse pointer. See, after point towards mouse pointer, change x by 10 is written. Yes, that one. Bring that and put it after that. Yes. After create clone of myself. Put it after create clone of myself. Yes. And now change x by 60. Now check it. Write it change x by 60 and check it. And now click the green flag and see. And how many clones you have made, you will have to delete all.
No.
Why you have made so many clones?
So I can like finish it out, like space it out, and make
You
it a
don't need to
proper
do
wall.
it like this. We'll be making the clone of everything. Do it what I am telling, okay? Just click on the
I'm
green
making
flag
a
again.
proper clone. What?
Click on the green flag again. Yes, now it's fine. Wait a minute.
This is the smallest.
It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Listen to me. Now repeat it for 7 times. Repeat it for 7 times. Now click on the green flag. Click on the green flag again.
Again.
Let me see. Remove that speed. Remove that speed from there. Remove that variable speed from there. Bring it down. Now again click on the green flag. Don't remove the walls. Don't remove the bricks.
I'm not removing them.
Click on the green flag again. Once again. Okay, fine. It's perfect. Now let's come to the next one. Stop sharing.
Wait, I'm gonna do something.
Stop sharing.
Sure,
It's fine. It's perfect. Okay. Now next thing what we are going to do is, now the next thing that we are going to make is, we'll bring another repeat loop and put above this repeat loop. Okay. Bring repeat loop again and put it above this repeat loop. And this time we'll repeat it because we want 3 rows. Okay. This is the first row. Here we want second row and here we want third row. So we want 3 rows. So
wait, teacher, let me do this. Wait, we put the repeat inside of the other repeat?
No, outside the other repeat. Okay. Put it outside the repeat block and make it
Wait,
repeat
I'm
for 3
confused
times.
then.
What?
I'm confused now.
Outside. Don't put it inside the repeat loop. Put it outside.
Oh, oh, I was confused.
Now here in this repeat loop, we will put set x to -6. I will put set x to -6 because my x was -6 earlier. You will have to put whatever your x value was. So go to the motion block and set x to the value that you have already put earlier also. So -6. I will put -6 and I'll change y by -30. And I'll change y by -30. I'm just coming to your screens and I'll tell you. Just wait a minute. Change y by -30 and see the clone will be made again. Okay. 3 clones are there. Okay, fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 clones are there. Okay. I'll stop sharing. Just wait a minute. Okay. Rahman, share your screen. Now see.
Wait, teacher, I was gonna share to show you what was going on with my screen. Teacher.
Just
I need.
let it see, then I'll ask you to share your screen. Okay? You want done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. I'll stop sharing now. Rahman, you share your screen.
I think I did something wrong in my program. Why? What? Now we have to put like what?
Yes,
Change
listen.
y. But
Listen to me.
but change y by what?
Listen to me. Change x. No, don't change x by -100. You have to put set x to -100. Instead of change x by -100, put set x to -100.
Set x to minus. Oh. Didn't know this.
And change y by -30.
Where?
No, not set y. Change y by -30. Where repeat is written in the top one repeat loop, you have to put, don't bring any repeat loop. Don't bring any repeat loop. Go to the repeat loop where 10 is written. You just write there 3, and where you have written 3, write there 7.
What?
Not there. Come to the programming. Come to the codes. Where 10 is written in the repeat loop, write there 3. And where 3 was written, write there 7. Now click on the green flag. Yes, it is okay now. Now at the top we'll put hide also. Now I'll wait a minute and stop sharing. Now let me see share my screen. Stop sharing. Okay, and now you can click on next costume after this. If you want different colors of the bricks, okay, if you want different colors of the bricks, you can make 3-color costume. Okay, first line will be of purple color, second line will be of red color, third line will be of green color if you want it. If you don't want, then no problem, go to the bricks costume.
Okay, I want to do that. So okay, I want to do that. So can you wait for me to do that?
Yes, I'll tell you how to do that. Just copy this. Okay, just copy this brick
I know.
and paint a new one and paste the brick here in this one. Sorry. Yes, paste it here and change the color of the brick. This time you can make any other color. Okay, I selected black color. Now third costume. Come to the third costume. Again you can paste it. Paste the same thing and change the color. You can select red color or any other color that you want.
Okay.
Okay, so for 3 lines I have selected 3 colors. Now I will put the code next costume. Yes?
Teacher, wait.
Yes, you can do it. If you want, you can do it. If you don't want to do this, not an issue. Okay?
No, teacher. I'm doing that.
What triggered it?
Okay, do it.
Teacher, I'm trying to do it.
देखिए मैं भी पता कर रही हूँ अगर कि क्या क्या सिलसिला है पटेल हॉस्पिटल का भी बता रहे हैं लोग अगर देखिए पहले जो कल जाते हैं तो जो भी सिचुएशन होती है ना भाई के साथ जो भी आपकी फाइनल बात हो तो मुझे अपडेट कर दीजिए आप
On that, have you producing any of those observations?
You can do it on my phone. और तुमने कितना याद करा था?
Done?
जो सुनाया नहीं है ना?
Teacher, I want to change it to change colors. So can you help me?
Okay, I'll stop sharing. Just wait a minute. Share your screen.
Okay.
Show me the costumes of the bricks.
There's this one and this one.
Okay, now do one thing. Go
And
to the
this one.
codes. Go to the codes.
Wait.
Go to the codes.
What are they? Okay, go to the code.
Now remove these. Switch costume to. Remove all the switch costumes that you. Click on the green flag.
It isn't duplicating.
Tell me how to put the colors.
What?
Can you share your screen and tell me how to put the colors?
Okay. 2 colors. Now done? Rema,
Yvonne, if you want them to be 2 colors, you go to costume, you go to fill, and then you press fill color. Then you go to when you're right here, then you'll see this or this or this.
yes, you can select any of them.
And then you can like swap. And then it'll be like a cool color like this.
Instead of one color, first one, you can select second, third, or fourth one. Got that? Wait a minute. Stop sharing. Stop sharing, Rahman. You got that, na? Now stop sharing.
Wait, I
Let
just
me
want to
help
do
you one now. Stop sharing.
Wait. Now you can help you Vaughn.
You want to share your screen? My God. How many times? Okay, third color will be select any color. You want swapping the colors? Go to fill. Go to fill. Okay, see above 4 colors are made. Can you see 4 colors are made at the top? Yes. You can select second or third one. Okay, and then you can swap between 2 colors. Whatever 2 colors you want, you can choose that. But do it very fast.
If you want to swap the green, then press the green.
Yes, choose fill color only.
Dr. Man, stop it. Don't do it.
I'm unmuted, you know.
Do it very fast, Yuvan. You can do this decoration part later on also. Firstly, let's complete the program, okay? Later on, you can decorate it. Whenever the class is over, whenever you are having free time, you can decorate it.
Teacher almost finished.
Okay, and you have made so many lines, so many rows that is not required. I think you have repeated it for 10 to 12 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, I think you have repeated it for 12 times. Only 3 times you have to repeat. Okay, now Rema, now you want it done. Now it's done. Now don't make 4 costumes we don't require. Now go to codes and click on the green flag, and instead of repeating for the 13 times, make it repeat only for 3 times. I said 3. You don't want to lose the game, right? Don't repeat it for 6 times.
Teacher, till where it should come?
Firstly, go and select next costume and put it after change Y. Select next costume and put it after next Y. Change Y by -25. There you put 3 in the repeat one.
What, teacher?
In the first repeat block, You put 3 there. In the first repeat, where repeat 4 is written, yes, you put there 3. Okay. And the next thing, go to looks block. Go to looks and select next costume. Select next costume and put it at the last. Change y by 27. Yes, after that. Okay, fine. Now you can click on the green flag.
Teacher, it's not coming like proper lines.
No problem.
Like, see, here it's not equal.
Make it 30. Change y by minus 30.
Teacher,
In the codes. In the codes, make change y by minus 30.
teacher, I did.
It is okay now. Okay. Correct. Now stop sharing. Stop sharing. Now we'll write the codes.
Teacher, I'm trying to.
Now don't do these things. It's okay. Leave these things. Leave these things. These things will happen later on. You can do these things, decoration part later on. Firstly, let's complete the program. Otherwise, the class will be over. Okay. Now, what I'll do, I will hide it. When we'll begin the game, I want it to be hidden. So after when green flag is clicked, bring hide and put it. Okay. After when green flag is clicked, bring hide and put it. Done?
No, teacher.
Put it fast, immediately put it. Abdul Rahman, done? Do it immediately. When green flag is clicked, put hide. You are muted. Abdul Rahman, you're muted.
I'm gonna do it. 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 Okay? You happy?
Yes, I'm very happy because you are doing it. Okay, now listen to me. The next thing that you have to do is when I start as a clone. See the block, go to the control block and select when I start as a clone and bring it. And select show. When I start as a clone, click on show. Sorry.
Why?
When green flag will be clicked, nothing will be there. But when we will click on cloning, okay, when it will start cloning, it will show immediately. Now see the perfect bricks will be coming.
I don't see that block, teacher.
Which block? Go to the control block and select when I start as a clone.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's part block.
Yes.
When I
And then
start.
click on show. Are you one done?
Yes, teacher.
Both the things, hide also and show also.
Yes.
Rahman, you also?
What?
Rahman done both the things?
Done.
Teacher, 1 minute.
Okay.
Trying to-
After show, you
Teacher,
have
can
to
I
put
share my
forever block.
screen once?
What?
Can I share my screen once?
Yes, just wait a minute. Okay, share it.
I don't know why it's not coming properly.
Put the height first. Put the height when green flag is clicked. Now click on the green flag.
Wait, why'd you put 4 lines? Question mark. Question.
And put only 3 lines. You have changed the size or something, I think. Put 3 lines. And why you have selected wait for 0.25 seconds? Okay, fine.
Teacher, but it's not like coming properly.
What?
Not coming properly.
It is coming properly. It's not a problem. You just put it on the proper place, it will come properly. In the same line, if you will put it, it will come in the same line. You are changing the positions, that's why it is coming here and there.
Like this.
Yes?
I want it like this. Like
What?
when I
Do what?
Your nails.
Why? I'm just cutting them.
What are you doing? You want let it be the way it is. This we will see later on, okay? After the program is complete, then you can see this. Otherwise, if you will be busy in this, you'll not be able to understand the program also.
What?
See, you have changed the position only. Set the position of the first sprite. Set the position of the first brick.
What? What?
Set it. Firstly, see the position. Put it there at the top and see the position of the first brick. Yes.
Teacher, are you talking to you, Vaughn?
Yes, because he is, I don't know what he is doing. Okay, now you want it is done. Let the brick be the way it is. Let's do the program. Okay. After when I start as a clone, click on show and then click on forever block. At least let's complete the brick block today. Rest we will do in the next class, but brick block we need to complete today only. Okay, click on forever block. After show, click on forever block. And inside the forever block, brick if then block. Okay, inside the forever block, brick. Listen carefully, Rehman. Inside the forever block, bring if then block.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, let me just do that. Wait, let me just do that. I'm gonna quickly do that. Quickly do that. Do. Done that.
And inside if then block, select touching ball. If touching ball, then height. If touching ball, then height.
There is no button called that.
Then height.
There is if touching. Oh.
Go to the sensing block and select touching ball. Touching mouse pointer instead of mouse pointer, select ball. And then make a variable count and make change count by -1.
What?
Make a variable count. After this, make a variable count. COUNT. COUNT.
Why do I have to make?
And change count by -1.
Count. And we're gonna change count by.
COUNT.
What? What do we change? Wait.
Count by -1. Make a new variable count. COUNT.
I know. I heard you.
Okay, fine.
Why are you saying it's not working?
I hope you can see it now. Done, both of you, till here?
No, teacher.
Do it.
Teacher, why did you zoom into your screen?
So that you can see it properly.
Okay.
And you can check it whether you have done it correctly or not. Check it. Check the blocks that you have done it correctly or not. Or you have done any mistake.
I checked it. I did it correctly.
Completed, you want?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now again, next blocks we'll write here only. When green flag is clicked, bring when green flag is clicked.
Wait,
Then bring
we
forever block.
what? Get another forever block?
Bring forever, and inside forever bring if then.
If then else, you mean? If then else?
Then go and bring the equals to operators and put it inside if then.
Equals to operator. Put it in the
Done?
Yeah.
Now,
I think I know
in the
what to
first
do.
block, put count variable. In the first
I know we have to do that, and in 50 we write and then in 50 we write 0.
yes, if count is equals to 0, then broadcast game over. Go to events and broadcast game over. Write a new message there.
Let me see.
Okay. Done this much? Now, go to the broadcast again and select when I receive game over. When I receive game over.
Let me see. I did game over wrong, but I'm just gonna have to stick with it if I want it to be quicker.
When I receive game over, you go to the costumes. Sorry, you go to the backdrop. Okay, backdrop costumes. And make one more backdrop and write there game over. Make one more, select one, paint one more backdrop. And in the second one, write there game over.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Done? Written game over?
Yeah, I know what to do. And then we go to the backdrop. And then we go to the backdrops codes. Then we go and select
Yes, go to looks and
then we change
backdrop to backdrop 2.
2.
And then stop all. After this, click on stop all.
How did you increase the size of the letters?
Size, you just need to click on see. After sorry, just wait a minute. I'll go to the backdrop.
Teacher?
Yes, select this.
Something happened. Something crazy happened.
What?
Let me show you my screen. Something
Select this and you can increase it or decrease it. Okay?
Okay.
Do it. Yes, Rahman, share your screen and show me what you want to show.
Oh, this is
Rahman, share it fast.
Where are all my sprites? I've lost all my sprites for some reason.
You are on backdrop. Where is your sprite?
Oh, I went to sprite 1.
Okay, so this is correct. When I start as a clone, you need to listen. What you have not done, when I start as a clone, click on show. After when I start as a clone, you need to put the block show there. See, down also it is there. Yes, put it there. Yes. And then if inside the forever block, if touching ball, then change count by -1. That's correct. Just wait a minute. Let me check everything you have done is correct or not. When green flag is clicked, forever count is equals to 0. Broadcast game over. When I receive game over, switch costume to backdrop. Switch backdrop to backdrop 2. When I receive game over, switch backdrop to backdrop 2. Select that. And remove that change x by -100 from there. And if touching ball, after if touching ball, then hide also. Before change count by -1, put there hide also. Yes. Okay, now let's come to the code of the ball. Select the ball also.
My ball got deleted.
Okay, ball you can select because you have not written any codes for the ball and the paddle. Select the ball.
And I'm gonna get a paddle.
Yuvan, you share the screen now. PADD. Yes, green one. Okay. Yuvan, you share the screen now.
Teacher, you said our class is gonna be 1 hour and 30 minutes. So we're gonna
No, we
leave.
started little bit late. You have joined late. You too. You people join late, and we don't be able to complete the game every day. And
Okay.
then in the next class you will be absent. Then you will not be able to complete the game again. You want to share it? Rahman, stop sharing it now.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Come to the ball sprite. You want now? You share your screen. Stop sharing, Rahman. You want me to share it? Stop it. You want share your screen? Come to the sprite. Let me see all the pro codes that you have done. Okay, when I receive hide change count by -1 when forever. Have you done that also? Little bit, scroll it little bit down. When I receive game over, switch costume to backdrop 2. Switch backdrop to backdrop 2. Show. Scroll it down. Yes. Okay, now come to the ball sprite. Select the ball sprite and stop sharing. Immediately stop sharing and come to the ball sprite. Listen, you need to make one more backdrop. Listen. You need to make one more costume for the backdrop. You need to make one more costume for the backdrop, which will be plain. Okay, only white color. Nothing, you have to do nothing. Just paint one more. Yes. And bring this down. Bring this one costume down. This will be the costume 2 and that will be the first one. Yes. Okay. The now change backdrop to backdrop 1. Go to the codes. Yes. Okay, it's correct. Now stop sharing. Stop sharing. Let's write the codes for the ball. Yes, that's correct. Switch backdrop to backdrop 2. Backdrop 2. Yes. Stop sharing fast. Let's come to the codes. Select the ball sprite, both of you. Select the ball sprite. Let's start writing. When green flag is clicked, go to event, select when green flag is clicked, point in direction 0. Go to the motion block and select point in direction 0. The ball will be moving up only, so point in direction will be 0. Then select forever block. And make it move 10 steps. Select forever block and side it, make it move 10 steps. And select if on edge bounce. If on edge bounce. And put it inside the forever block only. Then again, what? What happened?
Nothing, teacher.
Now select if then block again. And put it inside this forever block only. Here, after if on edge bounce, put it. And select if touching brick. Go to the sensing block and select if touching brick. Then turn for some degrees. Go to the motion block and make it turn for some degrees. Instead of 15, we'll put some other numbers. We'll turn it for 180 degrees. 180 degrees. If touching brick, then turn 180 degrees. Again, we will bring if then block and put it outside this if then block. Okay, but inside the forever block. And again, we will select if touching paddle. If touching paddle. Again, we'll make it turn for some degrees, but this time we'll select random degrees. Go to operators and pick random from 1 to 10 and put it in place of 15. And select random numbers from 90 to 180. Now make a new variable, light.
Teacher, wait, I'm putting the turn degrees.
Okay, no problem.
Teacher, can you go to the ball sprite?
Yes, just wait. Yes. Can you see it?
Yes, teacher. Touching paddle. Okay, teacher, finish.
Done? Rahman, you have also done? Rahman, done till here? Why is he not speaking now? Rahman. Rahman. Speak. Completed. Shall we move forward? It's not saying anything. Rahman. Can you hear me? Rahman, done? Rahman completed. Now make a new variable, lives. L-I-V-E-S. L-I-V-E-S. Okay, new variable lives. And again, we will go and select from the control block, if then block. And put it outside this if then block. and select operators lesser than operators. That is the second one. In the first place, we'll put in from the variables lives. If lives is lesser than minus 92, change lives by, if y, not lives, here we will select y position. Instead of lives, we need to select y position here. Go to motion block and select if y position. See, you will get y position at the bottom. If y position is lesser than minus 92, then change lives by minus 1.
Teacher, 1 minute, I'll come.
Okay. Rahman, Rahman, why you not speaking? Rahman,
Teacher, can you show the ball sprite codes?
yes, I can show you. I don't know where Rahman has gone. He has not completed the program also.
But he's still charting.
Yes, he is still there, but
Green ones?
yes,
I
I'll
don't,
check. Okay.
I don't know why it's like.
He's typing the messages, but he is not speaking. Rahman, what should I say? Should I call your mother? Hit the ball sprite program today only. Otherwise, after the class, you will have to wait with U1 and complete it.
I don't know this code. I don't know the codes.
Then I am showing you from half an hour. What are you doing if you don't know the codes? U1, share it fast and then.
Just tell me what to do.
Okay,
Teacher,
fine.
what is this for the paddle?
Pedal, we have not written the program, right? So right now, pedal is not working. We'll write the program for pedal, then pedal will also work. Stop sharing.
Teacher, if it's hitting the bricks, it's still not like the bricks are not hiding.
Properly, it's not hitting, hitting it. Only two bricks it has hidden. Two bricks it has hidden and it has been hidden. Others have not hidden because it is not hitting it properly. So later on, It is not being able to hit the brick properly. Okay, stop sharing. Stop sharing. Let's write the rest of the program so that we can stop the class and do the rest of the programming in the next class. So firstly, you have made a variable lives. Rahman, you also do it. I'm showing you. Make a variable lives and change lives by -1 when position is changing.
Teacher.
Yes, Rahman. After this again, if then block we will bring. So I'll stop sharing. Share it, Rahman. Let me see where you are. Then I'll talk to you. Why you are still here only? If touching, listen. In the second one, if touching pedal, then turn, pick randoms 90 to 120 degrees. Yuvan, you also correct it, make it 90 to 120 degrees.
What? What did you say, teacher?
Turn it, select turn for some degrees. Second one. Select the second turn. That is where 180 is written.
There is no Mozart's 180. Oh.
And instead of 180, you have to go to the operators and select pick random.
I know.
Okay, Yuvan, we'll end the class after this. Just let's complete this much only. And put it from
What?
90 to 120. Put 90 to 120.
What?
90 to 120. Yuvan, you can leave the class, okay? We'll meet in the next class. 90 to 120. 120. Okay, now again select if then block. Again select if then block.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. Again select if then block and put operators lesser than operator. Go to operators and select lesser than operators. Second one. Second one. Second one. Drag it. Yes. Now go to the motion block after putting it. Go to the motion block and select Y position. At the bottom it will be there at last. Select Y position. Yes. And put it in the first block. Select Y position and put it in the first block. And instead of 50, put there -92. Instead of 50, put there -92. -92. Now make a new variable lives and change lives by -1. Make a new variable lives. VES. Okay. Change lives by -1. Change life by -1. Change live by -1. Rehman, change live by -1, I said. Instead of count, put their live. Count instead of count, put their life in the codes. And again, bring if then block. One more time. Go to the control and bring if then block, and rest we will do in the next class.
What?
Bring if then block and put there if then. Yes, bring if then. And put there equals to operator. And put there if life is equals to 0. And rest we will do in the next class. Save this program very properly. Life is equals to 0.
Oops, I accidentally deleted the count
Live from the top.
variable.
Select live from the top. And you can, for playing the game, you can do one thing, save this program, and you can do one thing where you have used stop all, you will remove stop all, then you can play the game properly. Now we'll meet in the next class, okay? Have a good day. Bye bye.